Hello everybody, today we will discuss 5 dominant 7, 1 minor resolution in harmonic minor. So let's take a look again at these tone tendencies. So we have these few notes and we will ignore the F note here, the flat 6 for this video. We'll talk about that later on. So these are our tension tones. We already discussed that in our tone tendency video. So right now all we are doing is we'll take these 4 notes out. And again, just so happen, they can form a chord, and that is the E dominant 7. So E would be the root, G sharp would be our third, B would be the fifth, D would be the flat 7 of the chord. And if we point out the resolutions here, E going down to A, E staying as E, G sharp up to A, B down to A, D down to C, we will have an A minor chord. Sorry, just not 7 chord. We're sticking with triad for the 1 chord. Okay, so A, E, A, C. That's your resolution. That's your home chord. All right. So if I play this example here, and let's do E, G sharp, B, D. All right. Let's do it note by note. E going to A, right? And then you would have G sharp, go to A as well, so you have just A. Okay, you have your B going down to A. You have D going to C. So remember the E can also stay, but I'm putting that an octave up. So if I just do the whole thing. All right, so. One more time. All right, so that's how it would sound. So over the 5 chord, obviously we have tension, a lot of tension here, and that backs resolution to the 1 chord. Okay, so we call that release. Releasing the tension, and occasionally sometimes people would describe the 1 chord as home, and we are away from home when we are playing the 5 chord. All right, again for a dominant 7 chord, E, G sharp, B, D, when you look at the interval between flat 7 and 3rd, that's actually a diminished 5th interval. All right, so G sharp to D is actually a diminished 5th interval, and that's why it gives that's why the dominant 7 chord would be would feel unstable. That's because it has this diminished 5th interval within it, and that is a very dissonant sound. You want to resolve that to a more stable state, such as the A minor triad here. All right. So in the next video, we're gonna work out a few exercises just like this one. All right. So I'll see you there.